On est samedi, dernière semaine de mon premier bloc, enfin techniquement mon deuxième, mais premier de la prog Bushido. Et c'est des singles, ça va taper. Donc aujourd'hui, c'est boulot. Fait sa série là derrière là. Bref, aujourd'hui c'est semaine 4, dernière single du premier bloc, enfin techniquement deuxième, mais c'est le premier de la prog Bushido que je fais. On va monter lourd, on va pas faire des PR, les PR c'est dans longtemps, très longtemps. C'est parking mais pas autant que lui parce que lui c'est grosse séance. Dans une semaine c'est...
C'est un gros parking, là c'est une grosse séance qui va déterminer s'il est fort ou pas.
Exactement. Dans une semaine il a une compète, il a intérêt à faire un boulot sinon on l'encule. Tu fais un boulot Raph hein? Tu fais un boulot hein? Oui, ouais, il fait un boulot ouais.
Now I'm getting letters in the mail from the state, and if I don't reply or miss a court date, it's automatic. I gotta start making them payments, cause them folks downtown ain't playing. So what you gonna do? You know it ain't true. You ain't the only one, girl, my lawyers want loot. Another lawsuit, your baby look cute, but last time I saw you, you was with another dude. That baby ain't mine, it must be his. Everybody know she lying. That she must have been humping on multiple.
You gon' get your ass popped, motherfucker, don't stop, motherfucker. Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move. Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker.
Ressenti.
Fuck about it, damn. Hurt the feds was hit my pocket, trying to shut my city down. Fuck it, I'm gone. Can't be sitting up in the field. Gotta catch me in the ring and on the motherfucking scene. Tonight I got a flight. Headed for Atlanta since the feds up in my town. I'm getting the fuck out Indiana. Started packing up. Told the nigga on the phone. Told him meet me at the 4530 cause it's on one.
Motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move.
Hung up the phone. Grabbed the vanity out the stairs. Gave my workers all the work so I can keep on making claims. Get to the boat. Caught the flight at 1:30 cause I'm getting about the bitch in the motherfucking hurry. My vision ain't blurry. As I made it to the port. Had to keep my nerves calm so I fired up a new. Going down, I know. They got me getting excited. You know when they around, motherfuckers getting invited.
Move, motherfucker, move, motherfucker, move. Move, motherfucker, you gotta get up off the block, motherfucker. Open up top, motherfucker. If you gon' get your ass popped, motherfucker, don't stop.
Voilà. Bon Liam vient juste de faire une répétition flamboyante. Là je fais 2 singles à 155. La première était pas forcément belle mais elle est passée assez facile. J'avais merdé ma tension, enfin je me suis penché en avant. La deuxième single par contre elle était atroce. Je sais pas qu'est-ce qui s'est passé, je pense que la première m'a conditionné donc j'ai niqué mon gainage complètement. En bas du mouvement j'ai perdu toute tension. Du coup voilà, bah, c'est monté difficilement alors qu'une 155 je la fusais normalement. Donc bon, c'est la vie hein. Là j'ai des back-off, j'ai du 4x3 à 132 et puis après on passe au bench quoi. Mais ça me fait vraiment chier hein. Fin de semaine 4, heureusement qu'on va alléger les poids après parce que ouais, ça se voit que manque de technique là pour le coup. On va faire le boulot hein.
Il a sorti le physique. Voilà, monsieur.
For the funk lovers, fuck them lemon side buzzers coming with their name like your punk motherfuckers. Boom, I'm smashing bitch ass niggas all in boom, ain't laughing.
Ah, ça va sparking. On va enchaîner. Moi, mon top 7, ça va être 102 en single et après, je fais des x2 à 92. Lui, il doit faire un boulot. Gros boulot. Boulot, exactement. Et voilà, on va sparking tout simplement.
It destroyed you. I was a hoe, but not to nothing. Step into my circle, let's go to it up. I'm handing out beat down. I'm in a fucking gun, if the boys wanna jump, I'm gonna have the name down. Now y'all.
You wanna act up, you wanna clown around, you wanna start shit, well then it's going down. What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. You wanna get broke, you wanna throw your bones. The whole fucking group will beat you down to the floor. What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him. Give it to him. Give it to him. We aim it right at your head. We secret dead. What's up? Give it to him. I ain't even taking what he read. If you really want it, the rep feeling gon' bring it to you. A nigga that stops the heart, looking some bad to do. A bitch I like veteran, I'm known for busting shots. You haven't had no shade, see that hate, it had to stop. I'm just an all black with triggers that like the cap. Got bullets, small you muzzy, got feelings. Big as shit, got guns, that's red shit. All over like anthrax. Hey, you're throwing up your guns like the dentist on my neck. You know what I do, you know the whole crew. Kino the gun, Spectre squad and the whole voodoo. We don't fuck with boo-boo, but I do you like that choo-choo. I flew over the next man from my chest, see I'm boo-boo. My black slim nigga, don't get mug and some gold. You speak on your grip, you not a bitch, you a hoe. I'm not Mac Eve, so bitch, a fucking hater.
Allez, dans 7 jours, on a une échéance. Allez, on se met dedans là.
Ça va, Boy? C'est bon, les vivants?
Ça va, dommage.
What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him. What's up? Give it to him.